In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Perplexity app. If this helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to log into your Perplexity app, you need first to have the app. If you don't have, go ahead and download it from Google Play Store or App Store. Then tap on it to open, and here you have various options to log in. You can either log in with your Google account, or you can set up an account with your Gmail, or continue with SSO. So I'll go ahead and log in with my Google account by tapping on continue with Google. This also applies to anyone who is new and is logging in or signing up for the first time. Just proceed and tap on continue with Google here, and this will take you to your email addresses. Go ahead and choose the one you wish to log in with, and now you can see I'm already logged in on my Perplexity account. From here, you can go ahead and start a chat by just asking anything from here. So that's how you can log into your Perplexity app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.